Hello friends, welcome to another episode of Power Gadgets. In this episode we will be looking at the unboxing of the new Huawei watch GT2e. So this is the watch GT2e. This is the lava red color, which is the strap, which is the red and black TPU strap that has been called out. Some details on this side. Month and year of import shows as April 2020. The MRP shows up as 19,990. This was purchased from Amazon at the special launch offer of 11,990. So as part of the launch offer, there was this Huawei Sport Bluetooth headphones Lite as well that has come free. We will look at the unboxing and review of this in another video. For now, let us unbox the Huawei Watch GT2e. This is the Huawei Watch GT2e. Now let's keep the watch aside for a moment. Let's see what else do we get. This is the charging cable. Looks like a USB Type-C. This I believe is the charging pin which takes the charging cable. Yeah. And there is also some documentation. There's the warranty card and a quick start manual. And this is the serial number details. Yeah, that's about it. And this is the Huawei Watch GT2e. This is the red color strap, the model marking on it. Let's see how we turn it on. Yep. Okay, I believe we need the phone for the rest of the pairing process. So this completes the unboxing. I'll post a more detailed video once I've used the watch for quite some time. Thank you.